A while ago, I requested an invitation to test out the new Amazon Echo Auto. It's an Alexa for your car. It's only 25 bucks, and it connects to the internet through your phone and plays music through any Bluetooth device. It's really tiny, and I thought maybe I can add a battery to it and make it like a portable Alexa you could bring wherever you go. For enclosure, I used this garage door opener I had lying around, which had the added bonus of coming with a little belt clip, so you can wear it around like a 90s pager. Okay, so this is how you make portable Amazon Alexa battery-powered pager. Basically, all you need is a phone backup battery, some wires, a power switch, and a garage door opener, which are about 10 bucks on Amazon. There's a few smaller things, but I'll add everything else in the description. First, rip everything open. The garage door opener has 0 screws, so it comes apart in about 10 seconds. The Echo Auto is a bit more of a challenge. There are 4 hidden screws behind stickers under the friction pads. This took me about an hour to figure out, and they are security screws, which is a type I've never seen before, but with a little elbow grease and a tiny flathead, I was able to take them off. After that, it just pops out. Next, take apart your backup battery. I got this one for about 6 bucks. What you want is a little charger control unit. Depending on the battery you buy, you may be able to use the battery inside as well, but the one I got didn't fit, which we'll get to in a moment. Okay, now that everything is apart, do a quick test, make sure everything fits into place. Because the backup battery I bought didn't fit, I got this perfectly sized one from Amazon. It was about 12 bucks. Next, you want to build the circuit. To see how it all works, take a screenshot now. It's a very simple circuit. You want to wire a micro USB cable to the power out on the charge unit and wire the battery to the power in. And then connect a switch between one of the wires running from the battery to the charging unit. That way you can turn the Echo on and off whenever you want. Use a Dremel or a knife to cut out holes for the charging port and the power switch. And if you're using this particular garage door opener, shave down the little lip for the button, otherwise everything won't fit. Next, start gluing everything into place with a glue gun. For the battery and the Alexa, I use thermal tape instead because it protects against short circuits, it dissipates heat, and it's really sticky without making a big old mess of the glue gun can. Next, you want to drill 8 holes for the Alexa microphone array. Try and line them up as best you can, but I found it doesn't need to be absolutely perfect. Now just snap everything back together, and there you have it. A portable, battery-powered Alexa you can take wherever you want and wear on your belt clip. Alexa, play Danger Zone on Spotify.
Danger Zone by Kenny Loggins from Spotify.
Alexa, make a fart noise. Oh, that's a big one.